Hello everyone, I am Tejaswita and welcome to Pro Career Ignition. Today we are going to talk about how you can become a successful recruiter. Either it is an in-house recruiter or you're working with a recruitment agency. So after working so many years in this industry, certain qualities I realize every recruiter should possess. Why? Because being into recruitment agency, we need to keep hiring the new recruiter. Finding a right recruiter is also one of the biggest challenge in the market. Let me accept that, because recruiter is come with these certain qualities, and those qualities are sometimes I feel it's a inbuilt. Now the question you might be asking कि ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? Okay, so let me explain you the scenario. First of all, when we work as a recruiter, हमें not only we have to deal with the client, but we have to deal with the candidates also. Now, when it comes to the client के side से we need to collect the all information. We need each and everything what basically the role they are looking and how we have to source the candidate. Who are going to conduct the interviews? उन्होंने proper job description दिया है कि नहीं दिया है? Because why we need to collect the information? Indirectly, we are going to represent their company in front of the candidates. So if we are not clear what exactly the company is doing, what product they are having, how many employees are working, to whom that person is going to report, how will be the hierarchy, and many things has to be aware by the recruiter. So recruiter can build the confidence and that person can able to sell that company information, client information to candidate. Now let's talk about the other side. Okay, when we are sharing the information with the candidates, candidate also should show the express whether they are interested for this particular role or not. So it is our moral responsibility, किसी भी तरीके का information हमें hide नहीं करना है. We have to collect the right information from the candidates and pass on to the client, and vice versa. We have to collect the information from the client and pass on to the candidate. So I personally feel it is some kind of a job is a sales, because unless and until you're not able to sell the company profile to candidates, and other way you're not able to sell the candidate profile to company, you cannot do the matching for that particular role. This is a one kind of a job matching or a employer employee matching job. We do that. Okay, so it is not possible. So I personally feel this is one of the inside sales job only. After knowing all the information, आपको वो information pass on करके share करके we have to take the approval either from the company or candidate, vice versa. Now, second important thing which I personally feel, that is a research. Okay, कोई भी company अपने recruitment agency के पास or any recruiter is handling, the recruiter should be have a very good quality of the research. Whether it is a company information, whether it is a competitor information, the particular company standing in the market at what level, how many employees are there, all type of information, jitni information that person can collect, it is good for that. So this is a one kind of a researcher job also. Now this is about the company. When it comes to the sourcing part, that recruiter should aware which type of portals are available in the market, then कहाँ से मुझे particular industry के candidate database मिल सकते हैं. That person should be open for the networking also. So networking करके कैसे मैं database बना सकता हूँ, because we don't have a ready-made data, or we cannot wait for after doing the job posting we will receive CV and then we will do the calling. No, we recruitment agency doesn't work like that. They have the proper database, but not necessarily for particular industry they have to generate the database and they need the time, but having a right contact and right network, they can surely able to generate that database. So I personally feel it is a combination of the sales and the research job. Yes, apart from that there are other qualities also which recruiter has to be developed, बट इवेंचुअली आप वो डेवलप कर सकते हो, लाइक अ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, लिसनिंग स्किल, रेजिलियंस, मेनी मोर थिंग्स. बट दिस, इफ यू वांटेड टू बिकम अ रिक्रूटर एंड सक्सेसफुल रिक्रूटर, ये दो क्वालिटीज होना बहुत जरूरी है. Rest of the qualities you can always develop. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If any recruiter would like to comment on this video, please share the comment on this. Thank you.